Every masterpiece begins with a single, elegant detail. This is not just leather. It is the culmination of nature, technology, and an unwavering pursuit of perfection. Welcome to the story of how one of the world's most unique materials is transformed into an object of desire. Our journey starts not in a factory, but on the sweeping, open plains of a conservation ranch. Here, in a clean and controlled environment, Impalas graze naturally, a testament to a process rooted in ethical sourcing and respect for nature. This is where the foundation of luxury is laid. Once sourced, the raw hides begin a meticulously managed journey. Secured in sanitized containers, they are immediately transferred to prevent any degradation, ensuring the pristine quality of the material is preserved from the very first moment. The destination: a state-of-the-art megafactory, a cathedral of modern industry where tradition meets tomorrow's technology. The arrival of the transport truck signals the start of an extraordinary transformation. The air hums with potential as the doors to this clean, vast facility open, ready to receive the raw material and begin its metamorphosis. The first step inside the factory is a gentle cleansing. Automated cranes lower the raw hides into vats of a specialized preservation liquid, a crucial initial soak that prepares them for what's to come. From there, they enter massive, revolving stainless steel drums for an initial washing. The rhythmic dental tumbling action begins to clean and soften the hides in a highly controlled process. Next, the hides glide through a series of automated soft rollers and brushes, specifically designed to remove the hair without marring the delicate surface beneath. It's a hypnotic, satisfying process, revealing the clean, raw canvas. High-pressure jets of purified water then meticulously wash away any remaining residue, a macro-level cleaning that ensures absolute purity. Finally, the perfectly cleansed hides are hung on specialized racks, dripping with clear water. A quiet moment of stillness before the chemical alchemy begins. Now we enter the heart of the tannery. Giant, chrome-plated tanning drums rotate with a deep, resonant rhythm. This is where the hide becomes leather. Through automated ports, a precise cocktail of specialized tannins is injected into the drum. Every variable pH, temperature, and timepiece monitored on sophisticated digital screens, guaranteeing consistency and quality. Through the drum's inspection window, we see the hides tumbling in the rich, colored tanning solution, a mesmerizing dance of chemistry in motion. After this crucial stage, the hides are removed and placed in a neutralizing bath, stabilizing them and locking in their newfound durability. An automated system then scans each hide, measuring its weight and thickness to grade it for its final purpose. Before drying, the skins are treated with conditioning oils in a process called fine mists coat the leather, ensuring it will have the signature softness and suppleness that defines true luxury. With the tanning complete, the focus shifts to achieving the perfect texture and color. The oiled hides move through vast, sterile drying tunnels where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled to prevent shrinkage or damage. Once dry, they are carefully stretched by automated clamps. This process not only maximizes the usable area, but also removes any remaining stiffness, creating a smooth, uniform surface. To achieve that signature, velvety softness, the hides are then tumbled in a large, dry milling drum. This gentle friction creates the coveted suede or nubuck finish, a texture that begs to be touched. Now, the color is applied. Robotic nozzles glide over the hides, spraying a fine, even mist of rich, luxurious color. A heated hydraulic press then sets the final, subtle grain of the leather, giving it its unique character. Finally, a clear, protective lacquer is applied, sealing the color and giving the leather a beautiful, durable sheen. The finished hides, now perfected, are smoothly rolled onto large spools, ready for the final stages of their journey. The art of creation now meets the precision of technology. Before a single cut is made, digital mapping software projects, patterns for jackets, handbags, and wallets directly onto the hide. This intelligent system analyzes the entire surface, ensuring that the best parts of the leather are used while masterfully avoiding any natural imperfections. High-powered blue lasers then slice through the leather with incredible speed and accuracy, cutting the large main panels for a product. For smaller, more intricate components, like straps or pockets, a high-frequency blade takes over, executing complex patterns with flawless precision. Once cut, small robotic arms delicately sort each piece, placing them into labeled trays for assembly. Even the edges are perfected, as an automated wheel applies a fine sealant, ensuring every single component has a clean, finished look, leaving no detail overlooked. The disparate pieces now come together to form a cohesive whole. In a blur of motion, high-tech sewing machines stitch soft silk linings to the leather panels. The fast, rhythmic thrum of the needle a testament to the speed and precision of modern craft. Multi-axis robotic arms then take over the structural stitching, seamlessly assembling the main body of a handbag or a jacket, the product visibly taking shape. The hardware, a key signature of luxury, is installed with exacting precision. A robotic jig aligns and sets a high-end gold zipper or a polished logo plate, the sharp click of metal on leather signaling another step toward completion. Finally, the nearly finished item undergoes a final shaping, where controlled heat and pressure set its form, ensuring it holds its structure perfectly. Before any item can leave the factory, it must pass the ultimate test. Under intense, focused lights, a robotic optical scanner meticulously examines every millimeter of the finished product. It checks for any surface flaws, the consistency of the texture, and the perfection of every stitch. Only flawless items proceed. In the final step, a robotic arm applies a crisp gold foil brand stamped the definitive mark of authenticity and quality. The finished masterpiece is then gently placed into a soft, protective pouch. And here, the journey ends where it began, with a singular object of beauty. In a minimalist showroom, the final collection is displayed a symphony of texture, color, and form. Each bag, wallet, and accessory stands as a monument to a process where nature's beauty is refined by human ingenuity, creating a timeless legacy of luxury.